Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. YouTube to be included in Australia's teen social media ban. Trump says good friend India may face up to 25% tariffs. Millions of Americans advised to stay indoors due to triple-digit heat wave. US to scrap landmark finding that sets limit on carbon emissions. Trump's approval rating in US drops to lowest level of his second term. Let's look into details. YouTube will be included in Australia's world-first social media ban for children under 16 after the government ditched a previous exemption for the platform. The video sharing site was said to be excluded from the ban, which will limit TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, and Snapchat, and is due to start in December. Under the ban, teenagers will still be able to view YouTube videos but will not be permitted to have an account, which is required for uploading content or interacting on the platform. India could face tariffs as high as 25% if it fails to finalize a trade deal with the US this week. President Donald Trump has said, "Yeah, I think so," he told reporters on Tuesday when asked whether Delhi would face higher tariffs in the absence of an agreement. The US has set a 1 August deadline for India and several other countries to either reach a trade agreement or face increased tariffs. Indian and American officials have been negotiating a trade deal for the past few months, but officials have alternated between sounding optimistic and cautious about when it will be announced. Millions of people across the US have been warned to stay indoors as about half the country swelters under a heat wave. Heat advisories are affecting 168 million Americans in the Midwest, Southeast, and parts of the Northeast, according to the National Weather Service. New York Governor Kathy Hochul urged New Yorkers to check on vulnerable neighbors, saying that heat was the #1 cause of extreme weather fatalities in the state. The Trump administration has announced a plan to scrap a landmark finding that greenhouse gases are harmful to the environment, severely curbing the federal government's ability to combat climate change. Known as the endangerment finding, the 2009 order from the President Barack Obama allowed the U.S. Environment Protection Agency to create rules to limit pollution by setting emission standards. The U.S. is a major contributor to the global climate change and ranks second only to China, which emits more planet-warming gases like carbon dioxide, and the US still emits more per person. United States President Donald Trump's approval rating has dropped to 40%, the lowest level of his second term in office, as Americans remain concerned about his handling of the country and immigration. This latest poll showed a nation deeply polarized over Trump, with 83% of Republicans and just 3% of Democrats approving of his performance. About one-third of independents approved. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channel Desi Urdu TV and DTV NN.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.